Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Wàláì wá sọ fún bọ̀dá o kó mọ́ fowó rẹ̀ jóná àní yá sọ fún bọ̀dá o kó mọ́ fowó rẹ̀ jóná àní Isiaka yóò lọ Isiaka yóò lọ wàláì àbíbọ̀lé. Those are the songs they were singing o àbí o. Do you know what? That song I just sang now. Those songs I just sang now. Those were the songs that was coming out from a drum beat. Yes, talking drum. They used talking drum to beat it, to sing it out, and our home Minister of Interior, yes, Rauf Aregbesola, was dancing to it. I don't know anything, me, that is what I saw, and that's what I'm talking about, I don't know anything, but it's very funny. You need to watch the video. So, our own Minister of Interior can dance like this, jumping and dancing. Wá sọ fún bọ̀dá o kó mọ́ fowó rẹ̀ jóná wàláì Isiaka yóò lọ wàláì àfìwọlé. Go and watch it, guys.